India showcased their dominance in world cricket by winning their third champion trophy title, remaining unbeaten in back-to-back ICC tournaments. With 22 wins in their last 23 completed matches, they proved their depth and quality on the biggest stage. After winning a crucial toss, New Zealand got off to a flying start with 69 for 1 in the power play. However, India's high-quality spin attack led by Kuldeep Yadav, Varun Chakravarti, Akshar Patel and Ravindra Jadeja restricted them to just 244, taking 5 wickets and choking the run flow. Despite the spin strangle, Michael Bracewell's counter-attacking 53 of 40 balls gave New Zealand a respectable total, his late flourishing, along with Daryl Mitchell's resilience, provided a competitive target against a strong Indian batting lineup. India started aggressively with Rohit Sharma 76 and Shuman Gill providing a strong 105 runs opening stand. However, New Zealand spinners struck back, dismissing key players like Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, and making the chase trickier. Despite losing wickets at regular intervals, India's incredible depth proved crucial. KL Rahul and Ravindra Jadeja calmly guided the team home, sealing the victory with 1 over to spare and 4 wickets in hand. With this win, India claimed 2 of the 4 ICC trophies, reaffirming their status as world cricket giants. Rohit Sharma praised the team's resilience and celebrations erupted across India as fans rejoiced in another historic triumph.